Good morning, kids. Today we have our book, Exchange Friends, and we have to learn this text about school in the UK. So page number 49. Let's read this text together, and after you can make some exercises about this text to answer some questions, okay? So listen and repeat. Before we start, let's read some new words. How to read this? So this is primary school, and there is also secondary school. And this word we read like usually. Usually it means normally, like every day it's normal for me, and usually. Okay, so school in the UK. Let's read this text together. Read and say the times. In the UK, children start school when they are 5 years old. The school they go on to is called primary school. When they are 11, they go to secondary school. Yeah, see. They attend school from Monday to Friday, and they don't go to school on Saturday and Sunday. School usually starts at 9 o'clock in the morning and ends at about 3 in the afternoon. Many children have lunch at school. Lunch is at 12:30. You know, 12:30. But you can also say 12:30. At 12:30. Okay. Well, some children go home for lunch and return to school in the afternoon. Okay. So, after this, could you please answer some questions and choose right answer in your workbook on page number 49. So there are some questions. For example, number 1, when do children start school in the UK? When? It's about their age. So, and you can find this answer in the text. So the children start school when they are 5 years old. 5 years old. So you can choose the right answer. Yeah, here, 5 years old. So do you remember when they are 11, which school do they attend? Primary or secondary? Okay, you can choose. What days don't they go to school? What days? Saturday and Sunday, of course, right? What time does school start? Do you remember, at 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock? So you can find this in the text. What time does school end? 3 or 12? Just find this in the text and choose right answer. And what time do they have lunch? What time do they have lunch? So we have two answers. 12:30 or 12 o'clock, yeah? 12 o'clock, so you remember this is time when do they have lunch. So, and how to read this? Is this 12? Is this 12 o'clock or not? No, it's not 12, but it's 12:30. Yeah, exactly. So you can choose right answer. And after this, could you please write the some article about your school or schools in Thailand, in your country? Yes, write about schools in your country. You can start in Thailand. Children start school when they are, how old are they? So at 1, at 3, at 5 years old. Okay, you can write it here. The school they go on to is called, so which school you start usually, normally? Is it primary school, or what is the name of the school? When they are 11 or 12, they go to secondary school, or what is the name of the school? They attend school from Monday to Friday, right? The same Monday to Friday. They don't go to school on Saturday or Sunday. And school usually starts at what time? 8:30 or 7:30 or at 8. So you need to write it here in the morning, and ends at about 4 o'clock. 4 or 4:30 or 5 or 3 or 3:30. So you need to choose. And lunch is at what time is your lunch in your school? Okay, and after this, when you do all this exercise, could you please also make a test on page number 42 and 43? 42 and 43. And just it's all about what you know already. So to write the time, to choose the name of to write the name of the subjects. Paul, do you remember this rule? He or she. I watch, he watches. I wash, he washes. So we write es or s in the end. And can you make now, right now, exercise number 6? I will read for you time, and you need to paint hands in these clocks. In this clock, so 0, for example, you see the example 0. You already have these hands as an example for you. So 7:30. 7:30. So that's why you paint long hand on 6 and short hand between 7 and 8, right? Okay, number 1, listen carefully. Number 1, it's 8:30. Draw number 1, 8:30. Number 2, a quarter past 9. A quarter past 9. And number 3, a quarter to 12. A quarter to 12. And for example, I can say here you see at 12:30, you can say at 12:30. Here 12:15, you say a quarter, it means 15 minutes. A quarter past 12. A quarter past 12. And this time we can read like 12:45, we can read like a quarter to 1. It means we need 15 minutes more, and then we can get 1 o'clock. Yeah, so to 1 o'clock we have to wait for 15 minutes, and 15 minutes it means quarter. A quarter to 1. So the same, you can use this example and make this exercise. So please finish this test on pages number 42 and 43, and next time I will check it. And I hope you are well, and see you soon. Bye.